Hi, Malik the Magic Guy, expertvillage.com. Now let's start talking about adding balloons that aren't 260s onto a hat. So I showed you before we have like round balloons, we have heart-shaped balloons. All of these you can make a really great hat with. Now, one of the best ways to anchor this on would be if you took a basic helmet and you twist this in the middle just like this. This is a really simple way. Just make a little twist in the middle just like that. You can add on a heart and put that on a kid's head and they have a basic heart hat. Now you can do the same thing with the round balloon if we took another classic helmet here. And a lot of these you're just going to want to squeeze and find the softest section, and that's what you're going to want to squeeze. So we twist that in the middle. We can add on a round balloon just like this. Now one thing you can do is, like say with the heart one, if we took another balloon and made a bow, this is actually going to help this stay together better. Because we take the bow, we stick it right in here, in between the heart and the helmet, and now that gives you a little more shape and color, and it helps keep the heart standing upright. So there's some ideas about adding on rounds and hearts to your hat.